Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Locker for pickup. First, when checking out on Amazon, simply select Ship to an Amazon Locker as your delivery option. You can search for a locker near your home, work, or any convenient location. These secure, self-service kiosks are often found in grocery stores, convenience stores, and even apartment buildings, offering a flexible and safe way to receive your packages without waiting for home delivery. It's a great solution for busy schedules. Once your order is placed, Amazon will deliver your package to the chosen locker. You'll then receive an email notification containing a unique 6-digit pickup code. This code is essential for accessing your package. Remember, you typically have 3 calendar days to collect your item from the locker. If you don't pick it up within this time frame, it will be returned to Amazon and a refund will be processed. To retrieve your order, simply go to your selected Amazon Locker location. On the locker screen, enter the 6-digit pickup code you received via email. The corresponding locker door will automatically open, allowing you to grab your package. Be sure to close the door firmly after taking your item. If you encounter any issues, like the code not working, there's usually a customer service contact number displayed on the locker for immediate assistance. For a smooth experience, always check the locker's operating hours if it's inside a business. If you need to return an item, some Amazon lockers also offer a convenient drop-off service. Just follow the return instructions provided by Amazon, which will often include a return code to open a locker compartment. Using an Amazon Locker provides a secure and flexible alternative to traditional home delivery, giving you control over when and where you receive your purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.